What's going on, everybody? I am Jeff Baker and welcome back to my channel. It's time to get some more content going back on this channel, and I want to kind of let you guys know what I'm thinking. A lot of you came to this channel because of the guitar mods and stuff that I was working on, and that's exactly what I want to continue doing. I'm sitting here at my guitar repair bench where I will be doing a lot of guitar repairs, and I hope to share those repairs with you guys. I've got a couple things already lined up that I just need to start working on, and I will probably film those and share them with you guys. Probably just kind of one-off things. I got a bridge replacement coming up that I got to do on an acoustic guitar. Maybe we'll throw in some entire projects where we do some mods like we did on this guy. Well, and even this, both of these here we did on this channel. And also, I wanted to show you something really cool. Check out this little crayon box, one string diddly bow. I just made this, and it's going to be a video over on my other channel, which is called Home Built Workshop. I'll put a link down below in the description. I just finished it up a couple days ago. We'll probably be taking a look at this. There's a few things that I want to do to it, and maybe we'll try to do that on this channel as well. But if you want to be able to see the whole build for that, make sure you head on over there to Home Built Workshop and make sure you're subscribed to that channel. It'll be coming out in a few weeks. I'll have the build video for that. Also, a couple other things I've been working on. You'll see that blonde guitar right there behind me. That is one of my own models that I am prototyping and in the process of building right now. I've got two of them. Prototyping a left and a right-handed model. Obviously the lefty one will be for me because, well, I'm a southpaw. So they're both the same kind of guitar, but once I finish the prototyping process, I will be selling those guitars, building and selling them. So if you are interested in that, stick around because I'll be getting you some more information on those. So I'm looking forward to getting this channel rolling again, getting some more guitar-related content on there. I think that this will be a better fit channel-wise than if I just post guitar repairs and stuff like that over on Home Built Workshop. If you've got an opinion on that, please let me know. I'm trying to keep Home Built Workshop more project-based, where we can kind of start to finish some sort of a build of some sort, and I'll probably stick with just individual guitar repairs over here for right now. We'll see how that goes. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we'll work that out. We don't have the time to spend on those little details, so for right now, I'm going to do some guitar repairs, and I'm going to share them with you guys here on this channel. So we're back. We're going to get things rolling. Let's do this thing. So what I'd like to know from you guys really is what kind of guitar repairs would you like to see, so that I can kind of start working those in and planning to do a video on those sorts of things. So leave me a comment down below. Also in the video description, I'm going to put some links to some of my other channels and that sort of thing. And yeah, so check them out. One last thing, I do have a Patreon page for my Home Built Workshop channel, but any support over there does carry over to this channel as well. So there's absolutely no pressure, but if it's something you're interested in doing, I would appreciate it. I'll put links in the descriptions if you guys want to check it out. Thanks a lot, guys. Look for some content coming very soon.